Cutting the pants pattern. As shown in the video, this is the back part of the pants. Do not forget to fold the pants as well. Also, leave 3 cm on the top side because we are going to add waistband later, and leave 1 cm at the sides for the seam allowance. Always remember not to lift up the fabrics when cutting it, because if so, the pattern will move around. Next, we are going to stitch the outer sides. So we stack the back and the front fabric pattern, then stitch the sides. Stitch the inner sides as well as shown in the video. And here's when you leave about a centimeter free for the seam allowance. Next, this is the most important step. We are going to insert one leg hole to the other leg hole because the purpose is to stitch the inner sides towards the waist or the upper top side. If you already inserted the leg holes, remember that the right side has to meet the right side. So when you reverse the pants, it will fit. Next, we are going to stitch the bottom side. Fold 1 cm of the fabric towards the inner side and stitch the edges. We are going to do the same thing to the other leg hole. And then we are going to put on the waistband. To put on the waistband, first connect the ends of the waistband so it forms a circle and then stitch it. And now, to insert the waistband into the pants, then stitch it. Mark where you want to start stitching the waistband at. Usually people start at the back of the pants. After the waistband is attached to the starting point, stitch it also across the starting point, just so that the waistband won't move around. And now, to stitch the whole waistband to the pants, fold the pants inwards until it covers the waistband. And also, you're gonna want to stretch the waistband as you stitch it, so when you unstretch the waistband, it becomes wrinkled. That's why we stitched at the starting point first, because it will just lock down the waistband so it won't move around, and it will be easier for us to stitch the whole waistband to the pants. Because here we are using a mini sewing machine, so it's really lightweight, so we need someone else to hold it for us so it won't move around when we're stitching. And now we're just going to stitch the waistband again, so there will be 2 layers of stitches as shown in the video. And remember that the waistband that we cut has to be shorter than the pants circumference.